According to the CDC, there is one suicide every 11 minutes in the United States.
Fox 39's Christy Calcagno shares two local resources to help those struggling with suicide-related crises.
Suicide is the third leading cause of death in Tennessee. Now, that's according to Tennessee Suicide Prevention Network, or TSPN. However, there are many local organizations that are helping those suffering from suicide loss.
It's really hard to find someone who's not been impacted by suicide in some way or another.
Molly Colley is the Northeast Regional Director for TSPN. After losing a cousin to suicide, she reached out to others for help. Now she wants to give back.
Connection is everything when it comes to healing from something like this.
Suicide is such a tough topic. Why should we be talking about it?
Suicide is one of those things that a lot of times it's hush-hush and behind closed doors and people don't talk about it. Typically we're talking about major personality changes or sudden changes in behavior, people starting to act in more risky ways that they wouldn't before.
Colley started working for TSPN back in August. It's a network of support groups, mental health experts, and those suffering from suicide loss.
If we're looking at 2018, and we know nationwide we lost 48,344 people, that's kind of like saying an airplane full of people falls out of the sky every other day.
In 2018, 1,159 people died by suicide in Tennessee. Of that, 99 were from our region, most of them in Sullivan and Greene County. TSPN holds events focusing on mental health and suicide awareness.
One of the things that TSPN does is we try to work in our communities to help support people who have good ideas about ways they can make a difference. And I was contacted by an amazing woman named Dr. Barbara Sims.
Quite often, I feel this arm around me.
This is a growing need, unfortunately, to support those who are left behind.
After losing her son to suicide 2 years ago, Barbara Sims wanted to start her own support group for suicide survivors. And with the help of TSPN, she started the Suicide Loss Survivor Support Group. Why did you create this support group?
That it's okay to grieve in the way that is best for them, and that they do not have to go through this alone.
The Suicide Loss Survivor Support Group will have meetings on each second Tuesday of the month in Johnson City. For more information or to learn more about upcoming TSPN classes, you can visit our website at WCYB.com. And if you or someone you know is suffering, there is a national lifeline. We put the number on your screen.